नमस्कार. आज आपल्याला इयत्ता 10वी या वर्गासाठी सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी या विषयामध्ये पहिला जो चॅप्टर आहे ग्रॅव्हिटेशन याबद्दलची माहिती बघायची आहे. फर्स्ट चॅप्टर gravitation. In this chapter, we want to learn more about the gravitation. After that, circular motion and centripetal force, Kepler's laws, Newton's universal law of gravitation, acceleration due to the gravitational force of the earth, free fall and accept velocity. Now, first of all, I want to discuss about the effects of the force. In your book on page number 1, first of all, can you recall they asked 3 questions for you. The first question is, what are the effects of a force acting on an object? That means I want to tell you the effects of the force. Which are the effects of the force? We want to discuss about it. First of all, the first effect of force, a force can set a body in motion. Suppose this is a body or this is a sketch pen. This is in rest position. Suppose I apply a force on this sketch pen, then what happens? The sketch pen gets it moves in forward direction. I applied a force on the sketch pen, then a sketch pen moves in a forward direction. That means now after applying any force on the sketch pen, the sketch pen start to move. This is the effect of force. If I am not applying any force on the sketch pen, there will be no any change in this sketch pen. It will be at rest position. Okay, this is the first effect of the force. A force can set a body in motion. Now, the second effect of force. What is the second effect of force? A force can stop a moving body. A force can stop a moving body. I can take the same example. This is a moving object, this is a moving object, but if I am applying a force on it, on opposite direction, then what happens? The force which is applied by my hand can stop a moving body. This sketch pen is moving now, but if I applied a force on opposite direction on the sketch pen, then this force can stop a moving body. This is the second effect of a force. Now a third effect of force. I want to tell you the third effect of force. A force acting on a body can change the speed of the body. A force can change the speed of a body. Change the speed of a body. For example, when brakes are applied to a moving bicycle, its speed decreases. A bicycle, you are riding a bicycle and you are riding very fast. You are applying a force on the brakes. Then what happens? The speed of the bicycle automatically decreases. What is the reason behind it? Because you are applied a force on the brakes and therefore the speed of the bicycle decreases. That means a force can change the speed of a body. This is the third effect of a force. Now I want to tell you another one effect of force. A force can change the direction of motion of the body. A force can change the direction of motion of the body. The best example is, suppose this is a bowler. You know the cricket game? This is a bowler and this bowler is throwing a ball towards a batsman here, and if a batsman hits a ball, then what happens? The ball changes its direction and the ball moves here. That means by applying a force by a batsman, a ball changes its direction. This is the direction of ball. First of all, this is the first time the direction of ball is from this place to this place, and if the batsman applying a force on the ball, then the ball changes its direction from this place to this place. That means a force can change the direction of motion of the body if you are applying a force on it. Not only the direction but also its speed also changes. That means a force can change the speed as well as the direction of a body. Now I want to tell you another one effect of a force. Take a balloon. Suppose this is a balloon, and the shape of the balloon is totally round, and you are applying a force on the balloon. Then what happens? The change of the shape of the balloon change here, just like that. Why the size and shape of balloon changed here? What is the reason behind it? Can you tell me what is the reason? The balloon changed the size and shape because only I applied a force on the balloon, and therefore first of all the size and shape of the balloon is just like this, and second time I applied force on it, and therefore a force can change a force can change the size and shape of a body. These are some effects of forces. That means, can a rest body can move when you are applying a force on the body. Afterwards, a moving body can stop when you are applying a force on the moving body. A force can change the speed of the body. We are taken an example of a cricket game. The next, a force can change the direction of the motion of the body. We can change the direction of the body when you are applying a force on it. Not only direction, but speed and direction we can change when you are applying a force on the body. And another example is that a force can change the size and shape of the body. One more question for you is that what types of forces are you familiar with? याचा अर्थ तुम्ही कोणकोणत्या प्रकारच्या बलाविषयी तुम्हाला माहिती आहे? Can you tell me any examples? Types of forces. There are different types of forces are there. I am telling you some examples. First is the gravitational force. ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स हे पृथ्वीचे जे गुरुत्व बल आहे त्याला आपण ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स असं म्हणतो. किंवा विश्वामध्ये ज्या वस्तू आहेत त्या एकमेकाला आपल्याकडे खेचतात, त्यांच्यामध्ये जे आकर्षणाचं बल असतं त्याला आपण ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स असं म्हणतो. एखादी वस्तू पृथ्वीच्या दिशेने खेचली जाते. झाडावरचं तुटलेलं फळ हे पृथ्वीच्या दिशेने येतं. दॅट इज ए ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स. फोर्स ॲक्टिंग towards the earth, that is a gravitational force. A gravitational force between the earth and the moon, that is a gravitational force. Which is the second? A magnetic force. Do you know the magnets? This is a magnet. These are the poles, North Pole and South Pole. And if you keep some pins or nails, small nails near the bar magnet, then what happens? The small nails or these pins attracts towards the magnet, because the reason behind it is the magnetic force. Due to magnetic force, the nails attracts towards the magnet. This is a magnetic force. If you are applying or using electricity to make a magnet, then that force is known as a electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force. That means this is a nail. एक खिळा घ्या. एक साधा प्रयोग तुम्ही करून बघू शकता. एक खिळा घ्या आणि त्या खिळ्याच्या भोवती एक तांब्याची तार याच्यावरती अशी गुंडाळा आणि याची दोन टोकं जी आहेत ही दोन टोकं एका बॅटरीच्या सेलला अशी दोन्ही बाजूला जोडा. सुरुवातीला हे कनेक्शन इथून कट करा. याची दोन टोकं जी आहेत ती मी बॅटरीला जोडलेली नाहीत. एक टोक अजून जोडलेलं नाही. आणि मग इथं टाचण्या घ्या. या टाचण्या या नेलजवळ आणून बघा. टाचण्या नेलला चिकटणार नाहीत, त्या खाली पडतील. परंतु तुम्ही जर हे जे टोक आहे वायरचं टोक हे जर या बॅटरीला जोडलं तर काय होईल? याच्यामध्ये मॅग्नेटिझम तयार होतो आणि मग ह्या ज्या टाचण्या आहेत या खिळ्याला चिकटतील. दॅट मीन्स द पिन्स अट्रॅक्ट्स टुवर्ड्स द नेल. And this magnetism is known as a electromagnetism, that means we are using electricity to create magnetism in the net. That is a electromagnetic force. In this example, this is a electromagnetic force. Afterwards, the nuclear force. What is nuclear force? A force between proton and neutron in the nucleus. The force between proton and neutron in the nucleus. Do you know the structure of atom? This is an atom, and this is the nucleus of an atom, and there are protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom, and there is a force between these two. The force between the proton and neutron in the nucleus of an atom, this is known as a nuclear force.